Today, guys, I bring you this cryptocurrency called Zilliqa. Let's dive right into it, guys. So, right off the bat, guys, the website is Zilliqa.com. If you want to learn more about this, it's about designing, build, and use for powerful dApps. Now, if you want more information, I always check out the Twitter page and also the website. Learn more about their ecosystem, how it's used, the transactions, pretty much all the nitty-gritty stuff when it comes to cryptocurrencies. And their news is going to be basically Twitter and Zilliqa, and also has like 450,000 followers. A lot of follower base, guys. But besides that, key details, let's get into the charts. Now, we are looking at the weekly, and the weekly is one of my favorite time frames to trade off of, and also, basically it's planned and set up. When you look at the whole lifespan of Zilliqa, you can see that this thing has been around for a pretty long time, since 2018, and since 2018 it had a lot of growth. Like it went from 4 cents, it had that first rally, 23 cents, then it stagnated for a very, very long time. You're talking about, I went all the way down to half a penny, a little bit less than half a penny, and now it rallied back up to 25 cents, and now we're back down here, and then made that one good rally to 23 cents for about a few months, and now we're getting down to the lows. So let's analyze these lows currently. Now, this, you can tell, had a lot of manipulation, a lot of volatility. Now the volatility is dying down. I think that we're going to be heading down to a baseline price of where it should be before more manipulation is going to happen. So we got two primary zones, the accumulation zones, okay? Let's see. Now, this cryptocurrency is so volatile that I think that it's going to be hitting these levels, but not staying there for months on end. It might be spiral back up. But I do see this cryptocurrency has current price of 2 cents heading down to this zone here. And that's about 1.5 cents, guys. Now, if it hits the 1.5 cents, I think it's going to be pretty sporadic. Looking at the previous history, it's going to be a pretty big pullback. Now, if you're a trader, you might be looking at like, okay, if it's going to head down, I'll possibly short it, exit position when it hits the support zone, and do a buy. I hit my buy limit, and then pop back up and exit again. If you're looking at like dollar cost averaging, for me, I would, if I was looking at dollar cost averaging, I would look at a lower price. Maybe if it hits down to the half a cent zone, and look at buying in cash positions, because this cryptocurrency, to me, it looks like it's going to be heading down lower, and the next real significant move is going to be a pump and then a dump, and it's going to possibly stay a little bit, build up some support right here. I think ultimately it's going to head down lower, just looking at the overall weekly direction, and then possibly just back down to here. So our first price prediction, guys, is going to be 1.5 cents, and from there it's probably going to do a pop-up, pull back in this overall direction, and it might be more significant than that. If you look at the pullbacks, they're pretty significant, and they might go up 10, 30 cents, 20 cents, 15 cents, and then slam back down. So if you're looking at like a good trade, this possibly would be a good trade to get into, but long term, maybe we'll look at a different price range of half a cent. Well, let's get into some of the details when it comes to Zilliqa. So Zilliqa it is ranked number 88. Now, I like to look at cryptocurrencies, and this one just hit my radar because it's in the top 100. So 387,000 followers. About $400 million market cap. We'll show you some details about it. Zilliqa is a public permissionless blockchain that is designed to offer high throughput with the ability to complete thousands of transactions per second. It seeks to solve the issue of blockchain stability and speed by employing sharding, also as a second layer scaling solution. The platform is a home to decentralized applications. As of October 2020, it's also for staking and yield farming. And that's actually very interesting. The whole staking portion of that. Are people actually? I know people are staking this cryptocurrency. Okay, if they are staking this cryptocurrency, are in profit? Because as the charts are showing, that it would have to be staking at like a very low price over here or here, just for it to be profitable currently right now. But I think trading would probably outperform that anyways. If I was trading, I'll prefer trading over staking. But tell me what your guys' thoughts are about that. in the comp section. But let's get into some other details. If you guys want to get on some of the markets on Binance, KuCoin, BitThumb, stuff like that, QB Global, Bittrex, PancakeSwap, OKX. So there's a lot of big ones. This is in the top 100, so it's going to be on a lot of cryptocurrencies. Exchanges. But besides that, guys, check out my website, AndreMcClellan.com. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, trading, investing, free education about trading. Also, a paid version if you guys like. But check this out, guys. If you want to learn more about it, you can contact me in the contact below button down here. But please like, share, and subscribe once again, guys. Trying to get 2,000 subscribers. But see you guys next video.